Do you snore? Well, I know I don't. Well, how about the person you share your bed with? Oh, yes, you know what I'm talking about. If you're looking to feel rested from better sleep and less snoring, our next guest is here to help. I want you to meet Melissa Jones with Silentium. Boy, you are a welcome sight this morning, Melissa.
Thank you.
Do you know how many people just went, what? Snoring? That is such a huge problem.
It is a huge problem.
How many millions of Americans do you think snore every night?
At least one.
Two? Yeah. I've been told, but I don't believe it.
Right, I don't either.
Yeah, I know, tons and tons of people. It's a huge, huge problem. So let's talk about this product that you have, because a lot of people don't turn to, we'll say, alternatives, medication, supplements, things like that, because they're afraid. First of all, let's talk about the fact that you're a local company.
Yes.
This is all created locally.
All created locally.
Tell us about it.
Right here in Chandler.
I love
we
it.
manufacture this right here. We ship from Scottsdale.
Okay.
So it's very local.
Okay, good to know. So that means we can get the product quickly. Let's talk about Silentium and what's in it. What helps us stop snoring?
The little magical combination we have going with the magnesium, the calcium, the sodium, and the 5-HTP.
Ooh.
Yes.
You say that's an important ingredient.
Yep, the 5-HTP actually helps the body to relax, and the magnesium, sodium, and calcium are minerals that the body needs anyway for processes that it's already doing.
Right.
And the majority of Americans, based on our American diet, we are we are magnesium deficient. Right. So supplementing the magnesium really helps us to relax at night and to get a good night's sleep.
What is it about magnesium that helps us sleep better? I've heard that so much.
Yes, it just really helps the body to kind of relax. The 5-HTP definitely helps us to relax. But I like to equate that to taking an Epsom salt bath.
I know, right?
Yes.
That's my favorite thing to do, right?
So
but this is
that is straight magnesium. You're soaking in, and so it's coming in through the skin.
Yeah.
So supplementing the magnesium is going to help you in a similar fashion.
Okay.
It helps you to relax.
Okay, and that's what we're all looking for. But here's the big question. How are we going to feel when we wake up in the morning?
Not groggy, not hungover. Some supplements will really cause that hungover feeling where you just can't get going.
You can't even get out of bed, let alone the rest of the day.
Hit the snooze 7,000 times and you're like, I can't get out of bed. But fortunately, this product doesn't do that. You just wake up feeling rested, you sleep better, you know, you're snoring less. So you really are ready to tackle your day and get on with things without that hungover feeling.
Which is so important. Is this good for everyone? Men, women?
Women,
other medications that we might be taking?
Well, I will always check with my doctor, right? If you're taking something that you're like, I don't know, always check with your doctor, but there's nothing in here that's kind of a hot button or any kind of controlled substance. There's nothing like that in here. It's all just minerals that we use anyway.
Okay, so it's considered a supplement. And it's natural. And every time you think about taking a supplement, you always, here, make sure you talk with your doctor. Because if you are on other medications, but what are people saying? People who have been taking...
They are loving it. I've got lots and lots and lots of customers that are on repeat buy.
Okay.
So, and we do
an automatic ship?
Yes.
Right.
Yes,
because we do have
offer
to sleep
that
every day.
We have to sleep every day. And really for, just a tad over $1 a day, you're getting fantastic sleep where I don't drink Starbucks coffee a lot. I did last weekend. And like you go through the drive-thru, $23 later for 2 coffees and some egg bites.
Yes.
Yeah, so I could have had a whole month's worth of sleep.
Well, if you had that much coffee, you're going to need it.
Oh, yeah, you are.
We were just talking earlier. What about the dog? Can you find out something for the dog?
I've got to find something for the dog because my dog snores, right?
My dog snores just as much as my husband because I don't snore.
No.
All right. Melissa, thank you so much. All right. If you want to try Silentium for a better night's sleep, here's a special offer for you. Just use promo code Sonoran for a buy one, get one half off. Call 480-877-0408 or visit silentiumplus.com.